I really feel like Epcon has the goal to make it a place that you want to live at and be able to enjoy your life. I really love being a realtor because I enjoy helping people. Came looking to help clients find that, change of life, and downsizing, and all of a sudden I'm buying a home. But I love that because now I'm actually experiencing that process. I've actually not built a home from scratch, so that's been new for me. I've done it for clients, but it's different when you're on this side, right? So I have an even better understanding of that process now. The homes that Epcon builds really meets the needs of aging people. They're high quality, they're new designs, they make life easier as we get older because we can stay on one floor if we want. Everything is there, being in a ranch, but it's still luxury. You're not living in a place that you feel like you're getting older, you feel like you're really trendy, and it's fun, and it's really high quality, and it's just beautiful. I can't wait to move into my new home. We like to entertain, so I see us, having barbecues over. We have grandchildren and children, so we'll have them over. I'm living in a townhouse now where there's no space for that, so I'm really looking forward to having that opportunity where we can have more family time. As well that their focus is really low maintenance and 55 and older, because our needs as we get older are different. Carmel is great, Hamilton County's great. They're so good at creating community. There's so many things to do right here. I don't have to go very far to go to dinner, go to a show, see somebody famous just 5 minutes from my house and be entertained. And in the summer, there's free concerts, 3 you can choose from every week, and everyone just sits out there and socializes, and I really think that's how we're meant to live life. We're always in the top 5, top 10 cities to live in this size, so it's exciting to be here. You can afford to live here. I've had people say, well, why do you live in Indiana from the East Coast? Because they have no idea what it's like here, because they don't come and visit. In their mind, there's nothing here to see. And I'm like, if I live in Indiana, I can go visit anywhere in the country or world I want to, because I have that extra income to spend on travel and going out to dinner. And the people are so kind here and take care of one another. It's just a great community. I just love it.